If your company implemented Microsoft Information Protection sensitivity labels and you have C# code that creates new Excel files, your code is probably now broken. Here's the easiest way that I found to fix this in about a minute. Here is some typical C# code to create a new workbook, write some data to the worksheets, and then save the workbook. The saving is where the problem occurs. If you flip application visibility from false to true and then run the code, you'll see that during saving, the sensitivity label dialog pops up. And this is where your code is stuck. You would think that Microsoft would just let us simply pass in a label into the save as function, but of course not. The easiest way to fix this is to manually create a blank spreadsheet and then save it and label the file with a sensitivity label by hand. Name it template.xlsx or whatever you want. And then in the code, instead of adding a new spreadsheet, just open the template that you just created. And that's it. Go ahead and rebuild your code and give it a shot. The save as function should not complain anymore.